I was born depressed and I end up in one big mess and trip around it, trip around it. I was born jaded, I lift one finger up to display it and trip around it, trip around it, trip around it, trip around it.
All right, we got some courtesy lights. These are going to go on our Mercedes C230 compressor, and they've got a Mercedes symbol. Now you see this little magnet, so you've got some batteries that you put in here. I'll show you that. They take 3 AAAs, and we're gonna set these things up inside the door. They basically have a sticker on them. So this one's set up and ready to go, so you can see the light going. So there's this sensor right here. If you look real close, you can see that. You see that? So the light's on. When the sensor's in place, the light goes off. On, off, wax on, wax off. So that sensor's going to go in the doormat. So we'll show you that here real quick. And what we do to install them on the bottom here, that's sticky. And we're going to use an alcohol rub, which comes in the kit. We're going to do all 4 doors, and we'll just show you how to do that. First, we're just going to make sure we get the right place inside the door to set this up and stick it to. And just real quick, you can see here what it's going to look like when the door opens. It's sunny today, but that's what it'll look like. So pretty cool. Let's check it out. So we want to close the door. We need to get an idea of where we can put this thing to so that it doesn't hit the seat. So it looks like it's going to have to go right down in here, kind of below the seat. You can see there, and we got to get it to be able to stick. So it's going to have to kind of go right there. And then you want to get it down as far as you can so that when you open the door, the sensor will engage. But we also have to have it flat so that it sticks. So that's going to be what we're going to try to do here. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're going to rub this down right here with this alcohol wipe, and you can see the curvature of the door panel, so we're going to want to go right in here. That's where we're going to want to go. You want to let that dry, put that thing back in your bag for the next one we're going to use, and then let's see if we can get this thing to stick. So we'll pull that adhesive off and see if we can get it to stick on there. And you can see we're just going to peel that off, and we're going to get her stuck on here. Probably about right there. What I want to do is get in here. Well, that's not working out too good, is it? So let's see. Let's get her back on there. So see, guys, you don't have to be perfect. So what I want to do is get it flush here, about right there, before I really press it on. See if we can get it in place. That's gonna work. Okay, that'll work, I think. But then the key is the magnet. Will the magnet work? All right, there we go. I just took the one that was already pre-pressed in there, but you can obviously cut this one up because it's extra if you mess up like I did. But if you watch this, then you won't mess up. I guess that's why people watch these. So let's see if I can get this thing to work, for God's sakes. Okay, I think I have an idea where it's going to go, and it's just going to go right here. I'm going to put it on real easy just to see if the sensor will go off. I'm going to turn the light on. So there's the courtesy light. Let's see, does it work? Not yet. Oh wait, it worked. Okay, it worked. See that? On, off. Okay, so now what we'll do, so move this here, press that on real good, like so, and then I really need to press that on better. So I'm gonna just make sure that I get that. Real good. I got a little bit of a gap just because of the curvature of the door, but it's definitely on there. Dang. Dang it. So you can see here what I did is I shimmed that up to make it a little bit thicker. And I was going to move the mechanism down, the switch down, but it's adhered to the door really, really well. So I don't want to pull that off of there, so I'm just going to try to shim this up and make it a little bit higher. So we're going to try that. Okay, so I think we got it. So I did this kind of the hard way. I thought I would just show you this because a lot of times in these videos it just shows that it's really easy, and sometimes you have to just kind of work through it like I just did. But you can see now that it works and how it works. So anyway, hopefully you guys get an idea, and I'll try to get a picture of it at night. It looks really, really cool. So anyway, we'll come back to it. We'll just wait a few hours. Okay, so here's the other passenger door, and you can see kind of how it's shimmed, and it actually sticks in there just fine. I mean, it's not going anywhere. Here's our light, and it works fine, so it'll just hit that sensor and shut off. And these actually stick really good. I could try kind of kicking them a little bit, not a lot, just to see if your foot hit it. And actually they're pretty solid. So easy to replace the batteries because they're right there. 3 AAAs. A pair of these things is only 14 bucks, and you can get them for whatever car you have. So if you've got a Toyota or a BMW or whatever, pretty cool. So pretty happy with it. And the main idea here was to duplicate this car, which has got them from the factory. So we thought that was pretty awesome. So anyway, until next time. Okay, so let's check out the markers and see how they look now that we've got them installed. So, pretty darn cool. For comparison, here's our new 2020 A220, and this is what this marker looks like. And on the brand new car, doesn't have it for the passenger, but in our new installed, that's pretty sweet. Pretty darn cool. What do you think, Hugo? Yeah. Whoops. Oh. Make sure all 4 of them work. Gotta say, that's pretty damn cool. I mean, it really is. It's awesome. I mean, you guys got to admit, you're talking 28 bucks for all 4 of these. Yeah, that's pretty slick. Yeah, pretty darn cool. All right. That is worth it. It was easy to install, even for a guy like me. Make a few mistakes, but in the end, no big deal. So we'll catch y'all later. I don't even know if you can see in here now that it's dark, but bye-bye.
I was born depressed and I end up in one big mess and trip around it. I was born jaded, I lift one finger up to display it and trip around it. Born different, born innocent, born perfect. I'm not like you, I'm a born lover, born living, and I know I'm not like you. I was born clever, born knowledgeable, born better than your best. I swear I'm a born killer, born thriller. I was born depressed and a big black shadow looms suppressed and I trip around it.